Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your robot MOVA E20 doesn't turn on. The first option is to recharge it. If the battery is low, your robot will not turn on. So put it on your charging base and recharge it. The second option is that the temperature of the battery may be too low or too high. It's recommended to operate the appliance at a temperature between 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's 0 degrees Celsius, and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which equals to 40 degrees Celsius. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.